Good morning, Yasin. Hope I'm saying your name right. And I just have to say also that I like this Rumi quote that you got on the front page of your Twitter. When we are died, seek not our tomb in this earth, but find it in the hearts of men. Rumi's awesome. Love Rumi's poems. All right, so you had a little bit of a question here about line 5. So when we have a func, let's go look at some funcs. And when we have a func, the signature of a func is going to be the func, and is it a keyword? Let's go take a look. Golang spec. I kid you not. I'm like, not sure. I'm pretty sure, but let's just verify that. The func keyword, right? So it's like a reserved word. Can't use it for anything other than, yeah, you know, for a special purpose. You have to use it for a special purpose. So we have the func keyword, and then we'll have a receiver, and then optional, receiver's optional, and then we'll have an identifier, and then we'll have parameters, and you can have as many as you want, including variadic parameters. And you could have a return or returns, and if you have a single return, you do not need the outer parens, right? And then you're going to have your code block. And so that is, and I think maybe I'm putting my image in this recording over all that. I hope you can see all that. So there's, because I'm just only using OBS, I'm not doing 2 streams. Usually when I record my courses, I have a video camera for me, and then I could take that video and move it around on top of the screen because they're 2 separate recordings. But this one recording. So that's how you write functions. And so when we look at, that one function that we have here in this image, let's just do a little function. So we'll do func foo, and we'll say it takes nothing, and we'll have it return an int, and then we'll just return 42. And then here, we'll print out, we'll do x colon equal foo, and call it, and then we'll print x. Format it, I'll run it. So foo is called. Foo returns a 42. So that's the int that's getting returned. That gets assigned to x, and then we print it out. So in this code here, we are returning a function. We're returning a function. A function's its own type, which returns an int. This is the entire type right here. That's an entire type. And then here is the return. Right? We're returning a function that returns an int, and that function is this one right here. So this is everything that gets returned right here. And the type of that's a type. Functions are first-class citizens. Strangest word, strangest phrase to me. First-class citizens in Go. But dang it, I think I might be over the code again. So this is that's how it all goes, right? That's everything that gets returned, and here's the type that's being returned. Hopefully you can see all that. Production issues. All right, so let's give a little bit of a shout out to what you're doing here. I took a look at lollipops and lolly loops, loyalty loops. There we go. I finally said it right. Loyalty loops. And it looks like a loyalty program for small businesses where you could get, frequent flyers come in, get their card stamped, but you can all do it with an app. That's pretty cool. I wish you luck. Hope you're having a great day. And I think last thing I'll say, is it looks like you're in San Francisco. Love the Bay Area. Love the city. Wish I was living up there. Amazing you go 2.5 hours south and it's different. Have a great day.